take this test, please enter your name.
Oh,
you have to
handwritten?
draw it.
Handwritten?
You should draw something.
Oh.
Oh! What do I draw?
I don't know. Whatever you want. Oh my god!
Make it look like.
Oh yeah.
Oh no, this is your bald side. The hair is like over there.
Yeah. Good enough.
Yay!
To take this test, please enter your name first. Shuyamino. Yeah.
Welcome to the horror tolerance test. To take this test, please enter your name first.
Ball. Ball, that's my name. Wait, you know what? Guys, block letters. Blue. Oh my god. Done.
Please enter your name first. Or you gotta write it. Oh, you gotta. Oh, okay. Jimmy. Wait. I can do it better. Alright, we'll put it close to the middle. Jimmy. Jimmy. Approve.
To take this test, please enter your name first. Okay. Approve.
To take this test, please enter your name first. Oh shit! I have to write my name? There we go.
To take this test, please enter your name. Oh, we have to write it? Oh shit, I should've got my tablet. Yippee! Scarlet!
Take the test. Please enter your name first. Oh, I have to write this? Alright. P.O. Okay, how would a celebrity? Ooh. I think celebrities like loop-de-loops, right? There's so many loop-de-loops, it's just like a roller coaster. Age 7. Age 7. Oh no, wait, no, they might not let us take the horror test if we're only age 7. Age 7. D7. Okay, approve. Okay.
To take this test, please enter your name first. Huh? Oh. Fit. That. Li. Yes. ちょっとやばい。まあ、こんなもんか。ウェザーです。
To take this test, please enter your name first. What? Okay. Please enter your name first. I have to draw. Oh. Low key? This actually goes kind of hard. Yo! Vonto Crow? Come on. What if I just do this? What if I just add this right here? You can see the A. Why is the C an E? This is not an E. It's not complete. It's just got a curve on the end. That's my name. You can read.
To take this test, please enter your name first. あ、名前を。ペンで There's so much space left. めっちゃスペースがあるからどうしましょうこれは。じゃあ、こういっちゃうまず。大丈夫大丈夫。なんか怒ってるねこうちゃんまず。なんで？まず。クララおいちゃまず。OK。
To take this test, please enter your name first. Oh, I like draw.
To take this test, please enter your name first.
Oh, I get to write my name. Oh, that's so cute. Should I do like my? Oh wait, hold on. Can I do this with my tablet actually? Okay. Maybe if I spend the whole time. Oh, come on. Maybe if I spend the whole time perfecting my autograph, I won't have to enter the game. What do you think? This is a writing simulator, actually. There we go. There you go. Wait, here, I can do like... Well, that just looks goofy. Okay, one more time. We're never playing this game. We're never playing the game. We're never playing... be patient with me. Be patient with me. Now look, your head's flat. Okay, hold on. Maybe I can do like... No. It needed to be good. This will show up later. Okay, hold on. That's good enough. If I look at it any longer, I'm gonna reset again.
To take this test, please enter your name first. Oh. Okay. I saw I can't let's do this part. Alright. I made your face really wide. I'm sorry about that. There! Zoo! Good enough! Well, it's kind of weird in certain spots, but good enough!